Binance margin trading live example. Open Binance. Go to trades. Then go to margin. Now go to open orders. Here I have margin trade of BNB sell at 17.2. If BNB goes to 7.2, my prediction is it will come down from 7.2. So this is the order. If I go to funds, then margin, I have taken 5x leverage here. So you could see equity 54.89 BNB I have. For that I have borrowed 220 BNB. So total 275 BNB are there. With 275 BNB I am doing margin trading. It's been 1 hour I have placed the order. So interest is 0.1 BNB here. Here if you see profit and loss $10.33, it means interest rate of borrowed BNB. So if I go to trade, open orders, so still my trade is not yet on live because BNB price is still 16.8. When it goes to 7.2, my prediction is from 7.2 it will come down. So it is not yet touched 7.2. So my order is still open. If my order got executed, you can see it in order history.